guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start out with this beauty. It's Starlight Gatherings by Primitive Gatherings. It's all navies and creams, and this is like tonal in here. It goes from a lighter to a medium to a darker. Really beautiful if you're doing a blue and white style quilt. Basically you only need this line. That's how great it is. We also have one of the prints in a 108 backing. I will show you that in a moment. But next, we have Liftoff. It is glow in the dark. Yes, we checked to make sure. And it's all your like rockets and spaceships and stars, man. It's cute. Okay, and then you move down here and we have Cat, as in like the construction company. And it's the steel plates in those good colors. So I really like that. It's like a boy blender. This little guy we got in anticipation of Easter. They're little bunnies. Some of them have glasses. It's just cute, guys. Okay, here is the 108 from the Starlight Gatherings line right here. We also got a 108 of Kona Snow. It's in the link. It's just not down in the shop yet. We got a new $2 pattern for you called Takeout. Here we go. This finishes at 51 by 72 and it uses either 10-inch squares or fat 6. I've never cut a fat 6, so don't test me on that one. Oh wait, nope, sorry. Back over here, friends. We got a coffee mug, scoot back love button. Go big or go home, size matters. I hope you're laughing because I had a really good time ordering that. Oh. Caleb's running into things. It was sore. He's going to have a bruise because he's getting old, guys. Okay, next, Mama Bear's cutting things. We have some coasters, a set of 4 coasters. That is Lori Holt. And then this fun 6-pack of, these are the Friction Fine Line Assorted Color Erasable Marker Pens. Yes, that's a mouthful. No, don't make me say it again. Okay. Is that all the things?
We also have the binder, which I forgot to bring down, of that. And then from last week, we do have the cupcake things and
the canning jar labels.
Toppers. So now we have 4 things from the cookbook.
It's just so fun.
Line.
Is this the binder? Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Mom has binders.
Oh,
look, she's coming to save the day. It's called Beekeeper Binder. Look how cute that is.
It's got bunny ears.
And it has bunny ears. Okay, so we also have a white on white sale starting on Tuesday, the
Should be
18th. Sorry, Tuesday, January 18th. It is going to be, here's some white on whites here. It's going to be 20% off the bolt, minimum, I think, 1 yard cut. And it will be marked online. We'll put a link out. It will already be discounted online, so you don't have to worry about a discount code. It's online and it's in the shop. We also have a live this weekend, the 16th, Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think that's all. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.